Now that you've created your CS files and you've added the source code to each of these files, you have to create a project and then add these to that project. So the first thing you go is to Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio 2022 here. We'll say create new project. And I'm using Windows Forms app. If you don't have it over on the side, you'll select C Sharp, select Windows, and select Desktop. And you should be able to find Windows Forms app over here. And you select Next. I'm going to call this Boardfoot Calculator. I'll go ahead and select Create. Okay, now that everything has loaded, I'm going to where it says form1.cs. I'm going to right click. I'm going to select View Code. I'm going to do the same thing with form1.designer.cs. I'm going to right click here. I'm going to select View Code. I'll go ahead and go to form1.cs and I'll do this one first. I'll open this one over here, which is, I'll move this where you can see better. These are my two files. So I'm going to edit this, select it, right click, select edit. I can do this a couple of different ways. There's where it says edit, I can do this and I can say select all. And then what I would do is I would copy it, Control C. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the shortcut. I'm going to do Control A for select all. Then I'm going to do Control C. And then we'll go to this window. I'm going to press Control V. And that's going to paste. And I'll show you what happens. So I'll say Control A, Control C. Now I'll go over here. I'm on form1.cs. I have to do a Control A again. I forgot one thing. Before I get started, I better do this. Edit. See if I have two of them open. I made a mistake there for a second. I better do this first. It's very important to do this. See where it says board feet calculator? This one says board foot. This is the original one I did. It's supposed to be board foot, not board feet. So I copied the namespace. That's very important to do. I almost messed up. It wouldn't have worked. And I just put this in here, right here. And again, I'm just going to press Control V for that. Now I have Boardfoot calculator. That's good. So now I'm going to do the same thing with this one before I forget. I'm going to go here and I'm going to just go into this area, highlight that, press Control V. Okay, and I'm going to say save. And I'm going to do that to save this one too. That way I don't lose that. That would have been it would not have worked. So now I can try it again. Control A, Control C. And I'll go over here and I'll say select Control A, Control V. And now it's pasted everything in here. You'll see it even has board foot calculator. Now I'm going to do the same thing with form1.designer. I have it open down here. So I'm going to do the same thing. Control A, Control C. Then I'll go over here. I'm going to do the same thing. Control A. And I'll say Control V. That'll be paste. And it pasted everything inside of here. And now it should work. To compile it and to test it, actually all I have to do is press run. But now that I've done both these files, I can go here and it will show the display. And it looks like everything worked. So it shows display. And the next thing I'll do is I'll run it here. But I'm going to wait. I'm doing this in small steps. because this computer has problems with the internet right now.